In order to do anything on Sonic, you need gas. Gas is in the form of S tokens, and this video will show you how to get more or even your initial S tokens. First up, you'll want to open the website buy.foxify.trade. Once there, make sure that you connect your wallet. In my case, I need to unlock it first, which I'll do right now. Then you'll need to switch to your wallet. Make sure you select the wallet that you have and double check that this is indeed your wallet. In my case, I'll go from USDC on Sonic to S on Sonic, the gas token. But you could definitely do this from any other chain as well. And since this is only a test, I'll put in $1 as I already have more than enough S. Go review swap, then start swapping. Then you'll need to confirm a couple of pop-ups in your wallet. And after you do that, you'll get the confirmation that you swapped. And that's how easy it is.